Hello everyone, my name is Asisipho Mbingeleli and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I want us to answer these genetics multiple choice questions from previous question papers. These questions will help you check your understanding. So there's just 5 of them, so let us go through them. An individual is heterozygous for a harmful recessive allele but is unaffected by it. Which one of the following best represents the genetic composition of this individual? A, 2 dominant alleles. That's definitely incorrect because they've told us that the individual is heterozygous. 1 harmful recessive allele, 1 harmful dominant allele. No, that would be wrong. Yeah, that will also be wrong. 1 harmful recessive allele and 1 normal dominant allele. This one will be correct. C will be correct because they said as much as this individual is heterozygous and they have a harmful recessive allele, they are unaffected by it. So that means there has to be a normal dominant allele to mask that recessive harmful allele. So C is the correct one. Then 1.2, what is the percentage chance of a woman having a female child? The answer will be 50%. It will always be 50%. Even if they said a woman having a male child, it will be 50%. Even if they said a male having a woman child, it will always be 50%. There's a 50% chance of an offspring being a male or female at all times. Okay? Then we go to 1.3. Refer to a list of Mendel's laws below: law of dominance, principle of independent assortment, principle of segregation. A scientist crossed a red-eyed fruit fly with a white-eyed fruit fly, and all the F1 offspring were red-eyed. That tells us something. That's basically telling us that the red eye color is dominant over the white eye color because all the offsprings were red. Okay, which one of the following correctly represents the laws that apply to this particular cross? The law of dominance will definitely apply, and also principle of segregation will also apply. So the answer will be C. Okay. Then 1.4, the diagram below shows the alleles for height and flower color in a flowering plant. So this is basically all the alleles information for a flowering plant. This one is for height and this one is for the flower color. So that means this particular flower is tall because this is heterozygous, right? It's actually tall and purple in color based on the alleles information that we are given. So the plant is homozygous dominant for height. Definitely it's not homozygous dominant, it's heterozygous. We can see we're having an allele for tall height and an allele for short height. So these are different alleles, so it's definitely heterozygous. And the heterozygous one for a flower color, this one will also be incorrect. It's making it incorrect because we can see that this is homozygous dominant actually. It's capital letter P for both chromosomes. So B, let's see for option B, a heterozygous for height. Okay, this part of the statement is correct. And homozygous dominant for flower color. This is actually correct. So our correct answer is B. I guess we can look at C also. C, homozygous recessive. This is wrong. That makes the whole statement wrong. Heterozygous for height. Okay, this part is correct, and heterozygous for flower color, this part is incorrect, making the whole option, or making option D incorrect. So our correct option is B. If you have any questions, guys, especially with genetics and any other topic actually, because I do cover all the topics in life sciences, just let me know in the comment section and I will gladly assist. So let me know which topic you would like me to cover, a certain process you want me to explain, or a certain topic in question paper that you would like me to answer. I will definitely record a video for you and post it. Last one, the diagram below shows a pattern of inheritance of a disorder. So what we're having here as a key is this particular male is not affected by the disorder and this female is not affected, but then they're having one child and this child is a female that is affected by the disorder. One can conclude that the disorder is caused by what? So is the disorder caused by a recessive allele or a dominant allele? And I think a little bit of information about the parents. Disorder is caused by a recessive allele with both parents being heterozygous. This is the most correct one. So both parents are heterozygous, meaning they have an allele for the disorder and a normal allele. So both of them are heterozygous, but the allele or this disorder is caused by a recessive allele. So with the presence of a dominant allele, this particular disorder is going to be masked. So both male and female, they have the disorder but masked. Then obviously meaning this particular child inherited the recessive allele from both parents. Ta-da. All right.